Hello, good afternoon. It's Sunday, so this is part two of my weekend plant corner project. But before we start assembling the shelf, let's open this first. This is these are small plants that I bought for the terrarium. I just wish they're still okay, and I wish the free plant that came with the terrarium kit is also still okay, because I haven't had the chance to work on it yet. Maybe later after the plant corner is assembled. Okay. There are three plants here, but just very small ones. Struggle is real. Okay, it came, oh, very small. Here, it came with sphagnum moss. And then, I didn't know that they can grow from just this one. And then, this one in the sphagnum moss as well. These are all peperomia. And we got a small Hoya. This is, what's this? I forgot what kind of Hoya. It says Mario Hoya. I don't know. I think this is a little too big for the terrarium. Okay. Couple of casualties. Oh, okay. It came wrapped around this. So it looks like this. It's cute. Okay, that's done. I think they're okay. They're gonna survive a few more hours. So we'll assemble the desk, and then I'm gonna have to move some furnitures around so that we can get to that corner. I'll probably just do a time lapse of, assembling of the shelves. Okay. Hello, so the shelves are up. Here they are. I finished assembling. This is the one that we did last night. I still decided to put it there since there's space and just makes use of the empty space. Okay, so we're gonna start putting in the plants and the designs. It's so backlit. Sorry. It's afternoon already, and this is a north-facing window. It's 4:09 p.m. Okay, we'll start decorating. Hello! Good evening. Is it good evening? 5:21 p.m. I'm looking at my plant corner right now after multiple days, not multiple, just a few days of yesterday's disappointment. I mean, it's finally done and it's so worth it. So we're gonna go through it. I'm gonna show you what we've accomplished, and after all of our efforts, we just put some. Okay, I'll show you what we've accomplished. It's so cute. It's everything that, well, not everything, almost everything I've actually imagined it would be. So without further ado, I'll present to you the weekend project and my plant corner. Yep, it's this one. Yay. Okay, so there are actually grow lights that I've added, grow light strips that I've added there. That's why it looks like that. But let's see if it's off. Okay, it's a little dark already. It's the afternoon and I have very dim lights here in the apartment. So you're not really gonna see them without the grow lights. Let's have the grow lights on. Okay, so it's here. This is my very messy workstation because I just put everything there. But just to show you how it looks like. So it's in my living room. Okay, let's go through the details. Okay, reasons. Okay, there are 5 layers, but I've only been able to use the last 3. So here, mostly are, this is Calathea and my Syngonium, Manjula. This is our picture, one of the pictures that was printed for our wedding. Snow Queen, that's our family picture with my fur babies. This was the small planter from last night. Those are the plants there. We have a propagation going on here. Okay, this one was the broken cement decker that I glued together. And then this is the other one. Okay. I'll probably have to take another video in the morning so that it's gonna show. But yeah, I'm so happy that it's done. Yay, weekend project done.
I don't believe that there was someone right in front of her, or perhaps they moved out the way, because I couldn't find any additional information on this incident. I imagine if she hit a pedestrian or somebody else was involved in the collision, it would have been referenced a lot more in the court docs. But it is interesting that she states she saw someone before that seizure as well. So keep that in mind. But